The big top. The exotic dancer. Grace and beauty. The lion tamer. Tame a ferocious beast. The illusionist. Now you see it, now you don't. The juggler. Tricks on one wheel. The high wire artist. Death-defying skill. The clown. Always good for a laugh. The Iron Man. Muscles of granite. The acrobat. Handstands on horseback. January. Start the year. February. Find your Valentine. March. March winds. April. April showers. May. Bees are buzzing. June. Warmer days. July. Dad chills out. August. Kids can play. September. Back to school. October. Trick or treat. November. Wrap up for winter. December. Ready for Santa? I have. You have. He has. She has. We have. They have. It has. They have. I have 10 toes. You have a new camera. He has a son. She has lovely hair. We have wine with our meal. They have a friendly chat. It has all the news. They have a young cub. I am. You are. He is. She is. We are. They are. It is. They are. I am a teacher. You are a student. He is a father. She is a model. We are wine lovers. They are best friends. It is a newspaper. They are a family.